Hi everybody, I'm coming today for our mini lesson from my kitchen because the kitchen is the perfect place for us to think about capacity and what type of units we use to measure liquids. So let's start with our gallon. So I went into my fridge and found, of course, a gallon of milk. The next smallest unit is a quart. There are 4 quarts in a gallon, and this is technically a little less than a quart, but it's about a quart. And there are 4 of these in 1 gallon, like there are 4 quarters in a whole, 4 quarters in a dollar, 4 quarters in a basketball game. Next, we have a pint. This is 8 pints are in a gallon, and 2 pints are in each quart. And then finally, we have our cup. This is approximately 1 cup. Of course, you can think of a measuring cup as well. But I just was trying to find some items in my kitchen that were these approximate amounts. I encourage you to do the same. Look in your fridge, look in your cabinet, and see which items are these different sizes too. Now, when you're going from, one more, ounces. There are 8 fluid ounces in 1 cup. So if I look at this Coke can real closely here, I can see this is 7.5 fluid ounces. So this is just under 1 cup. So when we're going from units, if you want to know how many cups are in a gallon and so on, I want you to think back to our big tree, the big G that I taught you guys before our break started. This, remember, is a great tool, and I encourage you to make your own. So you're going to have your big gallon. Inside it are 4 quarts or 4 Qs, 4 mayonnaise. Inside each mayonnaise, we have our 2 pints, because there are 2 pints in a quart. And if we count how many pints, we see there are 8 in a gallon. And finally, real tiny, inside each pint, we have 2 cups. So when you're making this, you'll want to make one just like this. You can Google it if you're not sure. But this will help you when you go into your customary packet. Today, your assignment is going to be the last 2 pages 7 and, actually I take that back, just page 7 for today. So if I were to give you a question like, let's go with 3 quarts equals how many pints? Then you can simply look at your big G and look at 3 Qs and see how many pints are in our 3 quarts, and you'll see that it is 6. How many cups would that be? 12. So please let me know if you have any questions. I think you'll do really well on this once you have your big G to help you. Again, take some pictures of your pantry and let's see what kinds of capacity units you have.